friends, the phenomenal ascent of technology giants has fundamentally altered the landscape of global economic and political power. Given below are the latest figures of the wealth of some of the world's top tech giants. Apple, as of May 21, 2024, has the net worth approximating $2.93 trillion. Microsoft, as on May 21, 2024, has net worth of approximately $3.16 trillion. Saudi Aramco, as of May 2024, it has net worth approximating $1.933 trillion. Alphabet, as of May 17, 2024, its net worth is approximately $2.176 trillion. Amazon, as of May 21, 2024, its net worth is approximately $1.905 trillion. Nvidia, as of May 17, 2024, its net worth is approximately $2.275 trillion. Tesla, as of May 21, 2024, its net worth is approximately $595 billion. For comparison, here are the GDP figures of the world's top 10 economies. United States $25.463 trillion, China $17.963 trillion, Japan $4.231 trillion, Germany $4.072 trillion, India $3.385 trillion, United Kingdom $3.071 trillion, France $2.783 trillion, Russia $2.240 trillion, Canada $2.140 trillion, and Italy $2.010 trillion. Clearly, some of the tech companies can hold their own against several countries barring the United States and China. They exert substantial power not just through their financial strength but also because of their technological advancements, wide consumer base, and political ties. It is fascinating to consider the potential for these tech giants to use their wealth and technology to become global superpowers in the geopolitical landscape. The focus of this analysis is on how these corporations have the potential to reshape global power dynamics. We evaluate the possibility and impact of such a transition in the global order by considering their financial capabilities, technological advancements, and political and societal influence. Since these companies generate more revenue than the GDPs of many countries, they exercise significant control over global markets. For example, Saudi Aramco in the energy sector has the ability to directly affect global oil prices, thereby influencing the economies of nations and shaping international relationships. The immense financial resources of tech giants enable them to make significant investments in research and development, further strengthening their technological advantage. Alphabet and Amazon allocate billions of dollars each year to research and development, aiming to innovate and sustain their competitive edge. By continuously investing in AI, cloud computing, and other emerging technologies, these corporations could potentially surpass the capabilities of traditional nation states. Artificial intelligence and big data play a crucial role in shaping the future of geopolitics. Technology giants such as Alphabet, which also owns Google, and Microsoft are leading the way in AI advancement, utilizing powerful data processing capabilities to impact various aspects, including consumer behavior and national security. These technologies can be utilized for different strategic objectives such as surveillance, cybersecurity, and autonomous systems, which play a vital role in contemporary warfare and intelligence activities. The ability to control these powerful tools could give these corporations a level of influence on par with or even surpassing that of national governments. Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure dominates the cloud computing market, providing essential infrastructure for businesses, governments, and institutions worldwide. By having control over vital digital infrastructure, these companies become the gatekeepers of worldwide information flows and digital economies. Their proficiency in cybersecurity guarantees the safeguarding of extensive quantities of sensitive information, amplifying their strategic significance. The way they protect or threaten data networks could become a critical element in national security considerations, ultimately giving them more geopolitical power. Tesla's progress in electric vehicles or EVs and renewable energy technologies demonstrate how large technology companies are leading the way in transitioning to sustainable energy. Tesla's dominant presence in the electric vehicle market and expertise in battery technology allow them to shape global energy policies and environmental strategies. The advancements in autonomous technology by companies such as Tesla and Nvidia have significant impacts on transportation, logistics, and even military uses. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize traditional industries, resulting in power shifts where tech companies gain significant influence over vital infrastructure and capabilities. Big technology companies have strong political ties and actively lobby to influence policies that benefit them. For example, large technology companies invest substantial amounts of money in lobbying efforts in the United States and the European Union in order to shape regulations pertaining to data privacy, antitrust legislation, and digital taxation. These actions often yield policies that harmonize with the strategic aims of these corporations, thereby reinforcing their dominance. Their capacity to shape policies not just in their own nations but also in crucial global markets strengthens their global impact. By forming strategic alliances and partnerships, technology giants can broaden their influence and strengthen their dominance. Partnerships between corporations and governments, like those observed in defense contracts involving companies such as Microsoft and Amazon, demonstrate how these organizations can become an integral part of national security systems. Tech giants can expand their influence globally through collaborations with international organizations and other companies. One example is Alphabet's extensive network of partnerships with educational institutions and research organizations, which promotes innovation and expands its technological presence. Through their products and platforms, tech giants have a strong impact on culture, influencing public opinion and shaping cultural trends. With billions of users worldwide, social media giants such as Google and YouTube, both owned by Alphabet, possess unparalleled global reach, allowing them to effortlessly spread information and ideas. This cultural impact can result in soft power, allowing these companies to influence social norms and values in line with their strategic goals. Their crucial role in enabling communication and exchanging information renders them essential in today's society, further amplifying their influence. Tech giants can enhance their reputations and foster positive relationships with stakeholders by participating in corporate social responsibility or CSR initiatives and global development programs. By addressing concerns like digital literacy, environmental sustainability, and public health, they showcase their dedication to global issues and strengthen their credibility as global participants. Microsoft's efforts to address the digital divide and Apple's investments in renewable energy projects exemplify how these companies contribute to global development, ultimately strengthening their influence and adaptability in various geopolitical contexts. Tech giants, despite their considerable impact, encounter significant obstacles, notably in the shape of regulatory examination and antitrust measures. Governments around the world are becoming more cautious about the monopolistic tendencies of these corporations and are taking steps to limit their influence. One example of resistance against corporate dominance is the European Union's strict data protection regulations or GDPR and ongoing antitrust investigations targeting companies like Google and Amazon. These regulatory actions can limit the ability of tech giants to expand their influence unchecked. Tech giants' worldwide operations make them vulnerable to political tensions and conflicts. The trade war between the United States and China has major consequences for companies such as Apple and Tesla, as they have significant manufacturing facilities and markets in China. Geopolitical risks have the potential to disrupt supply chains, limit market access, and cause substantial financial losses, which in turn can hinder the global expansion plans of these corporations. Successfully maneuvering through intricate geopolitical environments necessitates strategic expertise and can curtail the ability of tech giants to challenge established power dynamics. Data privacy, labor practices, and the societal consequences of their technologies are among the ethical and social challenges faced by tech giants. Public trust can be eroded by the negative response towards perceived privacy invasions, worker treatment in global supply chains, and the unintended consequences of AI and automation. Resolving these issues necessitates a careful equilibrium between pursuing corporate objectives and upholding ethical values, which may restrict the ambitious expansion plans of these corporations. The rise of technology giants like Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, and others has disrupted traditional notions of global power dynamics. With their immense financial resources, cutting edge technological capabilities, and far reaching influence, these corporations have emerged as formidable actors on the global stage, challenging the long standing dominance of nation states and international institutions. At the heart of this discourse lies a fundamental tension between the borderless nature of the digital realm and the territorial boundaries that have historically defined geopolitical governance. Tech giants operate on a global scale, transcending national borders with their services, while governments grapple with the challenge of regulating entities that defy conventional jurisdictional norms. While these companies wield significant influence, they remain subject to legal frameworks and regulatory oversight imposed by governments worldwide. Initiatives like the European Union's Digital Services Act or DSA and Digital Markets Act or DMA aim to protect user rights, ensure fair competition, and curb the unfettered expansion of tech giants through substantial fines and penalties. However, the notion of tech giants becoming rulers implies a level of sovereignty and legitimacy that they inherently lack. As private entities driven primarily by commercial interests, they lack the democratic mandates and accountability mechanisms that underpin legitimate governance structures. The concentration of power within these technological behemoths raises valid concerns about the need for increased transparency and oversight. Their ability to shape public discourse, influence consumer behavior, and potentially manipulate information flows demands scrutiny and safeguards to protect fundamental freedoms and individual rights. As the digital age continues to evolve, striking the right balance between fostering innovation and safeguarding democratic principles remains a delicate and ongoing challenge. Governments, civil society, and tech giants must engage in constructive dialogue and collaborative efforts to ensure that technological progress does not come at the cost of eroding fundamental freedoms and undermining the sovereignty of nation states. Ultimately, the interplay between these powerful corporations and established geopolitical structures will shape the future of global power dynamics, potentially leading to a more interconnected and technologically driven world order. Whether tech giants can fully usurp the traditional nation state model or coexist in a symbiotic relationship remains an open question that will unfold as technology continues to reshape our world.